Well, while Balasaheb Thorat is still with the party, what he has resigned from is from the post of the Congress Legislative Assembly leader. He was the Congress Legislative, he was the CLP leader. The Congress Legislative Party in the Maharashtra Assembly was being led by Balasaheb Thorat. So he has resigned from that post. He hasn't resigned from the party. Balasaheb Thorat is one of the most senior Congress party leaders. He is an 8-time MLA from Sangamner. He has been a revenue minister. He has also been the party president in the past. Now what has happened is during the MLC elections which recently happened for the Maharashtra Legislative Council, Balasaheb Thorat's close relative Satyajit Tambe was supposed to contest the election from the Nashik Graduate Council. While his name was being finalized, the Congress party did not give him the ticket but gave the ticket to his father Sudhir Tambe. However, Sudhir Tambe did not contest the election and later Satyajit Tambe contested from the very same seat as an independent. Now after that, several rumours were being spread that he has become a part of the BJP, and that is exactly what Balasaheb Thorat has been angry about. He said that he can't work with such a state president. He also said that there were plans being made to ensure that the image is being tarnished of him as well as his family. In fact, few days back a video was being released where he said that there has been internal politics going on and that he has conveyed about this to the party's high command. But now what we come to know that after writing a letter that he cannot work with Nana Patole, who is the state president, Balasaheb Thorat has now resigned from the post of the CLP, the Maharashtra Congress Legislative Party leader. Now, Balasaheb Thorat is a very important leader if you speak about Maharashtra Congress, an 8-time MLA. Apart from that, he is one of the senior most Congress leaders. When the Mahavikas Aghadi government was in power, he was the revenue minister. He ensured that Congress gets an alliance is being formed between the Congress and the Shiv Sena, and a government was formed in Maharashtra. So yes, Balasaheb Thorat plays a very crucial role in Maharashtra Congress politics, and if he has resigned from this post, this shows that all is not well within the party, and that's why now a letter has been written to the High Command, after which he has also resigned from the post of the Maharashtra CLP.